I'm just checking to see which one's the brake light. See if the voltmeter goes up at all. I don't think it's that one. So that's that one in the middle there. I've got it on the wrong setting. Maybe I need to test the brake. So that, let's get that up so you can see it. That's on the negative. Ignition is on. So that's in the way. That's the tail light there. That's the tail light there. That's getting voltage. Okay. I need to be able to press the brake light. I wonder if I've got any cable ties. A wee bit cable tie on the brake light. Right. So I've cable tied the brake light. I just test that inside wire, which is white with black stripe. Yeah, you can see that's got voltage, can't you? You're getting my big hand out of the way here. So it's that white one with the. So that other one must be on earth. That far away one must be on earth. Yeah. It's definitely that inside wire is the one I need. Turn the ignition off. I don't need the voltmeter. Take the cable off the brake because I forget. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to do this, but this is the wire I need. I need to cut back this sleeve in and then splice into this and put these wires into here somehow. Soldering irons on. I might end up talking over the top of this. Put this bit of sleeving back. I don't need much of it. I'm not 100% sure how to do this. I might have to get some insulating tape. Just to re-sleeve all this. Pull that back, but I will keep that because I'll just tape it up over the top of it. I could try to splice one of the splices I showed you. Gives up plenty of length. So the wires I need. The battery's about to run out. I'll get a new battery. I might go and get the GoPro. So I've got the GoPro, but I can't really see. There's no preview screen. There's no preview screen, so I can't see, but I'll just go for it. So these are the two wires I want to splice into. So one at a time. So yeah, that one, the black with the white stripe, goes to that side. Okay. I just want to pull that back a bit and get that in there. Without cutting it. And I'll just peel some of that heat shrink back to get the right gauge. What gauge is that? The gauge there. It's the wrong gauge. It's the right gauge. Pull some of the wire back. It's quite hard to do. Is that the right gauge there? That's it, I've got some of the wire back. Not easy. Trying to split that cable. It's just splitting it with my finger. Split that bit of sleeving. Probably an easy way to do this, I just don't know it. Oh, it's coming back. You just want a wee bit back, really. There we go. I'm going to do the other wire as well, so I'm going to splice into that. And I'm going to splice into the other one. Okay. So it's that one there, isn't it? Yeah, that's the one. So just set right in the right angle. So spliced into that and that. Just pull that back a bit. That's it. Just one of the fingers. There'll be an easier way of doing this, I'm sure. That's it. Pull the wire back, there we go, expose a bit of it. Right, so get that out of the way, get the helping hands involved, get them out of the way. Need to helping these little mini helping hands. I'll do the faraway wire. Where can I put this? Can we put them the other way? Like that. Just absolutely frozen, you know. Cold today. I think it's going to snow and rain and all sorts today. I'll try to get this done as quickly as possible. Yeah. There's the other wire, right? So that's white with black stripe, and that goes in there. Okay, so you go under one way. Yeah, under one way, and then fold it over the other way. Okay. Is that right enough? Yep. Okay. Get this wire out of the road. Put that in there just now, and then solder that up. Hopefully the iron is on. Leave the solder. Just tin the wire. There. Iron's on. I'm shaking. Oh man alive, there's not very much space in there. Right, to get these wires out of the way. Find a way of kind of giving myself a chance. There we go. Let's go for it. This is my brake light. I've got to be careful. Yeah, that'll do it. Right. Like that, cool. And do the other wire. Like that. So I've got some insulating tape and I've got a wee file. I'm glad I did as well. There's some rough bits there. Okay, so that's that spliced into there. Now I've got to splice into the live. Just tape that up. Oh man, what would I do for a garage? Whew. Get a bit of insulating tape. Just hopefully the join's okay. Doesn't have to be anything too fancy. Just put that round like so. Come on, baby. Ah, what a mess. Try to do a nice clean job. Put that over like that. It's fiddly work, this. The whole job has been kind of fiddly. I'm hoping it works now. Put that around there. I don't really like using it. I'd rather use a bit of shrink wrap, but how? A bit of TP shrink wrap. That should do it. Just cut that off. The glue can take a, can do things to the conductivity. Right, I'll splice into the other one. Give myself some space. And this is the live feed. Take that block off. So it goes under one way. And it goes over the other. Okay. Like so. It's a bit kind of long, that one, but it'll be alright. That's it. And separate them, solder that up. Cold and it's fiddly. Marvellous. Cold and fiddly, that's what you want. Solder. That's the iron tinned anyway. Right. Just check all that. Check the. I feel I burnt some wires anyway. Burnt some cable in there. Not to worry. Just check there's no high spots on that. It's actually not bad. The wee one there. That wire's a wee bit longer, but that'll be okay. That wire's okay. Take her to that. I'll tape that up. Tape this up quick. And I'll just, before I put the sleeving back over that, I'll just test it. Hope I haven't messed it up. Okay. How does that go? That seems to be awful twisted. What's happened here? I twisted it in the loom. Alright. Oh, that goes underneath the spoiler, okay. Just test it out. See what happens, you know, which there's no smoke. I have to cable tie that brake light again because I can't see. Show you. No problem. Alright, okay. So this is the install here. As you can see, I drilled a little hole up there. The bulb is in there. Okay. It goes up. It goes down. All clipped up. Clip through, drill the hole through there, comes through, I clipped it up here, comes underneath, it's spliced into the loom, okay, and Molex there, and I just put that in there. So if I want to take it off, just pull this out, pull that off, and I can just take the top box off. I found that the only way I could do it really. I'll just turn the ignition on, keys are in my pocket, and the final test I want to do is with the seat on. There we go, nice and bright. Okay, so, wow, this has been part 4. I'll just pop the seat on. Cut the wire. The wire will just go. No problem. Just sits there. So that's it. Nice. I'll snip the cable off the brake. And then it just turns off. Okay. Alright. Thanks you guys.